The United States gets some of the most severe weather events in the entire world, and nowadays a lot of it gets blamed on climate change. But how much of an effect does climate change actually have on severe weather here in the United States? After a tornado outbreak, the American public as well as the media are quick to point the finger at climate change to blame for the causation of the event. However, climate change does not have as much of an impact on tornadoes or severe thunderstorms as it does in other areas such as hurricanes or droughts. Since the 1950s, the average number of tornadoes per year has increased over time. However, most of the increase is on the lower end of the spectrum, the EF0s to EF2 tornadoes. Whereas EF3 and stronger tornadoes, the more destructive tornadoes, they've mostly remained around the same number per year since the 1950s. This increase in weaker tornadoes can largely be attributed to advances in Doppler radar technology as well as an increase in population. However, the EF0s are not the tornadoes that make headlines, it's the EF5s. The number of strong tornadoes per year of EF3 or greater strength has actually come down a bit in the last 30 years compared to the 30 years before that. While it is clear that climate change is affecting weather patterns all across the globe, it seems that it is having a rather minimal effect, if any at all, on U.S. tornadoes and severe thunderstorms. However, research will be ongoing to determine if there is any link between the two. Climate change is having an impact on weather patterns all across the globe. However, here in the United States, in terms of severe weather, its effect seems to be rather minimal. For Up in the Air, I'm Brian Mastro.